Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment is used to treat vaginal yeast infections. It helps reduce symptoms such as vaginal burning, itching, and discharge. This medication is an azole antifungal that works by stopping the growth of yeast that causes the infection. It's important to consult your doctor before using this medication for self-treatment, especially if this is your first vaginal infection. Tioconazole-1 only works for vaginal fungal infections, so if you have different symptoms, such as fever, chills, stomach pain, or a bad-smelling vaginal discharge, it's important to contact your doctor right away, as this may be a sign of a more serious infection. If you are using the over-the-counter product to self-treat, be sure to read all the directions on the product package before using this medication. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, use it as directed. This product is for vaginal use only. Remember to wash your hands before and after use and avoid getting the ointment in your eyes. If it does get into your eyes, make sure to wash them right away with plenty of water and call your doctor if there is any eye irritation. The dosage of this product is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Typically, this product is given as a single dose at bedtime or as directed by your doctor. It's important to learn all the preparation and usage instructions in the product package. You'll need to lie on your back with your knees toward your chest, then insert the applicator filled with medication into the vagina as far as it will comfortably go and slowly press the plunger of the applicator to apply the full dose of the ointment. If you have itching or burning around the outside of the vagina, vulva, you may also apply some ointment to that area. While using this medication, avoid using tampons, douches, spermicides, or other vaginal products. Unscented sanitary napkins may be used for your menstrual period or to protect your clothing from leakage of the medication. If your condition does not improve after 3 days or lasts more than 7 days, be sure to tell your doctor. Additionally, if your infection returns within 2 months, you may need a different or additional medication to treat your condition. If you experience any headache or vaginal/urethral burning/itching/pain, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment outweigh the potential side effects. While serious allergic reactions are rare, it's crucial to seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions and use this medication as directed for best results. Before using Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or other azole antifungal agents, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have diabetes, immune system problems, or frequent vaginal yeast infections, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Also, before having surgery, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use. Ask your doctor about whether it is safe to have sexual intercourse while using this product, as it may weaken rubber products and lead to failure, resulting in pregnancy. Do not use latex condoms, diaphragms, or cervical caps during treatment with this medication and for 3 days after treatment is over. Consult your doctor about other forms of barrier protection/birth control during this time. If you are pregnant, do not use this medication for self-treatment. It should be used only when clearly needed and under your doctor's instructions on how to use the applicator to insert the medication. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding. When using Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment. This medication should not be taken orally. If someone accidentally swallows it and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or your local poison control center. In the US, you can reach out to the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, contact your provincial poison control center. After using Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment, it is important to keep the genital area dry to help prevent vaginal yeast infections. Make sure to dry thoroughly after showering, bathing, or swimming, and avoid wearing tight clothing like jeans or nylon underwear for extended periods. Instead, opt for breathable cotton underwear and change it daily. If your sexual partner experiences symptoms, they should contact their doctor as soon as possible. Today we're discussing Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment. This medication is used to treat vaginal yeast infections. It works by stopping the growth of yeast that causes the infection. This medication is for use in the vagina only. Follow all directions on the product package, or use as directed by your doctor. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. This medication is usually applied once daily at bedtime for 1, 3, or 7 days depending on the product instructions or your doctor's directions. The best time to use this medication is at bedtime. If you have any questions about the best time to use this medication, ask your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to store Tioconazole-1 6.5 Vaginal Ointment at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.